Exercise 4.2, Class 10th, Mathematics. Topic is Quadratic Equation. Question number 2, first form. First part. We have formed this equation in example 1. X square minus 45x plus 324. We had formed this equation from the statement written in English, and this is the conversion of that statement into the quadratic equation. Now the topic over here is to solve this, to find the value of x or to find the root of this equation. So let us start and let us learn the technique how to solve the quadratic equation, and we are using the technique splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. So the standard equation, quadratic standard equation is like this: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare our given equation with the standard equation, we find a is equal to 1. When there is no coefficient written with the x square, that means the coefficient is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Here coefficient of x square is a. That means a is equal to 1. Similarly, b is equal to minus 45 and c is equal to 324. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 45 and c is equal to 324. So first step is we find out the multiplication of a into c, which is 1 into 324 is equal to 324. Okay. Now we have to find out the factors of 324. 324 factors are 2, 1, 6, 2. Prime factorization. Again it will go by 2. It is 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So the prime factors of 324 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. We have to find out the various combination of these factors so that the total of those combinations should be equal to minus 45, that is b. For example, if I multiply 3, 9 with 2, 18 and 2, 36. So one group can be 36. Another group left is 9. I have formed these groups. I can write these as minus 36 into minus 9, because minus minus will become plus. Minus minus and multiply becomes plus. So at the place of minus 45, I will write minus 36 and minus 9. You see, when you add these, you get minus 36 plus minus 9. Again, it is equal to minus 45. So that minus 36 and minus 9 are the two factors which satisfy our requirement of their multiplication will be equal to c. 36 into 9 will be 324. When we add minus 36 and minus 9, these becomes minus 45. Minus intentionally I have written with this and this, so that when I add this must be equal to minus 45, because the product of this and product of this will remain the same, because minus minus when multiplied becomes plus. So therefore now I will write this quadratic equation x square minus 45. I will at the place of minus 45 I will write minus 36x minus 9x and plus 324. This x will be written with both. Okay. So now out of these two terms and out of these two terms, whatever is common I'll take out. It is equal to 0. That means x I am taking out common. Here it is x minus 36 because I have taken x out. Here I will take minus 9 outside. In the bracket it will be x minus 36. It will be minus because the minus sign outside, so internal sign will change. Okay. Now you see this and this, they are the same. So I will take this out, x minus 36, and I will keep these things x minus 9 in the bracket equal to 0. From here x minus 36 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. From here you will get x is equal to 36, and from here you will get x is equal to 9. When it goes to the size becomes plus. So hence solution oblique root oblique value of x in this quadratic equation will be 36 and 9. So these are the required values of this. So this was the first part. Let us now go to the second part. X square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. Standard form of the equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 55 and c is equal to 750. Comparing the given equation with the standard form. First step is multiply a with c, that is 1 into 750, which is equal to 750. Okay. Now we'll find these factors of 750, prime factors. It will go by 2, 2, 3, 6, 7, 5. Now it will go by 3, 1, 25. It will go by 5, 25. It will go by 5. It is 5, 5 and 1. So the prime factors of 750 are 5, 5, 5, 3 and 2. That means 750 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we have to make the groups of these so that the addition should be minus 55. If I make one group like this, 5, 3, 15, 2, 30, this becomes 30 and this becomes 25. When you add 30 plus 25, it is minus 50, it is 55. Now how to create minus? That means I will put this as minus 30 into minus 9, because when you multiply it will be plus. But my requirement is minus 30 and 25. So this is not 9, this is 25. My requirement is minus 30 and minus 25. because when you add these becomes minus 30 plus minus 25, it is equal to minus 55. So my required factors are minus 30 and minus 25. This is how you can find the factors. Now my equation becomes x square is equal to, x square minus 55, I will write minus 30 and minus 25. Minus 30x minus 25x and plus 750 is equal to 0. Now the things become simple. I will take out common. I will take out common from here. Here common is x. X minus 30. Here common is minus 25. This is x minus 30. It is plus, but I have written minus because minus outside minus when multiply becomes plus is equal to 0. This is the common. So I will take out x minus 30 and in bracket it will be x minus 25. X and 25 here 0. That means x minus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 25 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 30. That means x is equal to 25. That means the solution or the roots or the value of x equal to 30 and 25. So this is how to solve this question. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question 3. Question 3 is, find two numbers whose sum is 27. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So let us assume one number is x, other number will be 27 minus x, because their total, when you add this x and x, becomes 27. So sum is 27, one number is x, other is x, 27 minus x. So let us start. Let one number is equal to x and another number is equal to 27 minus x. Another condition given is their product, and the product is 182. So we'll multiply these two numbers, x and 27 minus x. X and 27 minus x. It is given equal to 182. So from here when we multiply 27x minus x square is equal to 182. That means x square minus x square plus 27x minus 182 is equal to 0. Highest term is always kept positive, so I will multiply whole of this term with minus on both sides. It will become minus will become x square. This minus and plus will become minus 27x, and this minus and plus will minus will become plus 182 is equal to 0. When you multiply 0 with any number, it always remains 0. So we find the standard form as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 27, and c is equal to 182. So a into c is equal to 1 into 182, which is equal to 182. Now find the factors of 182. It will go by 2, 2, 9, 2, 1. So it will go by 7, 13, 13, 1. There is no other factor of 91 except 7 and 13. This thing you keep in mind. That means 182 is equal to 2 into 7 into 13. Okay. Now we have to find the factors of this so that we have to form the group so that the plus, when we add those groups, the plus should be equal to minus 27. So it is equal to 14 into 13, and I will write as minus 14 into minus 13, because minus minus when multiplied it becomes plus. But when you add, these become minus 14 plus minus 13 is equal to minus 27. Hence our required factors are minus 14 and minus 13. So we'll put this equation, we'll write this equation, x square minus 27 plus 182 is equal to 0 as x square minus 14x minus 13x is plus 182 is equal to 0. Okay. So from here what is common? X is common, x minus 14. From here 13 is common. So this is minus 13 outside, x and minus 14 will be inside is equal to 0. Okay. See the sign. This is plus. I have written minus because minus outside. That means x minus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. That means x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. So the solution of this question, so numbers we were supposed to find were 14 and 13. Okay, these are the required number. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 we will write over here. Question 4. Let us read the question. Question is, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. So two positive integers can be x and x plus 1. Consecutive positive integers. Let positive integers are x and x plus 1. Okay. The condition given is sum of whose square, इसका square और इसका square, x square plus x plus 1 square, sum this square plus square of this is equal to 365. So let us open this bracket. X square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. I have used the property a plus b whole square. That means 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. That means 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. In order to make it simple, I will take out 2 common. That means 2 in bracket x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. 2 cannot be 0, therefore this is equal to 0. That means x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Standard form of the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 182. Now we'll find the prime factors. 182 prime factors are 2, 9, 1, 3, this will go by 7, 13. 13 is equal to 1. So the factors are 182 is equal to 2 into 7 into 13. B I want 1. So I'll make one group of 14 and another group of 13. But I want minus. This is minus. Either this is minus or this is minus. I will keep 14 as plus because B is 1 and into minus 13, which is equal to minus 182. Okay. So why I have kept minus with this? Because when we add 14 plus minus 13, it is equal to 1, which is my requirement. B is 1. So I'll put this equation x square plus 14x minus 13x. At the place of x, I am writing plus 14 minus 13. Minus 182 is equal to 0. So I will take the number common, whatever is the common, x plus 14 minus 13, x plus 14 is equal to 0. See the sign. This minus, I have written plus because minus outside. So this is common, x plus 14 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to, x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 13. This we will reject because we are given two positive integers. So minus we will reject. So we are left with x is equal to 13. Other number will be x plus 1. We are supposed the number x and x plus 1. So x plus 1 will be 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. So our required numbers are 13 and 14. This is question number 4. Now let us go to question number 5. Question 5 is, let us read the question. Question 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. Altitude means height. Height is less than the base by 7 cm. Hypotenuse given is 13. find the other two sides. So it is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Let us suppose base is equal to x and this height is equal to x minus 7. Because height or the altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base. This is base, so x minus 7 is the height. Hypotenuse is given 13 and this is right angle triangle ABC. So we'll apply Pythagoras in this. We know that 13 square is equal to x minus 7 square plus x square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Okay, so let us open. This is x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square, and this side it will be 169. That means 169 is equal to 2x square minus 14x plus 49. X square become 2x square. So that means 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. This I have shifted to this side. So that means this is 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. So again 2 is common. 2 is common. So I will take out 2 outside. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. That means x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now we'll find the factors of 60 because x, the coefficient of x is 1. So 60 factors will be 2, 3, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1, 15, 30, 60. That means 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So now make the factors of this. Factors of this can be, this is 12 and this is 5. We want minus 60. C, A into C is minus 60. So minus 60 will be minus 14 into, 12 is equal to minus 12 into 5. Why I have taken like this? Because when we add, this becomes minus 12 plus 5, it is equal to minus 7, which is B. B is how much? It is 7, minus 7. So this B is minus 7. Okay. Now we'll put the values over here. It becomes x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. At the place of minus 7x, I have written minus 12 plus 5. It is equal to x square minus 7x. Now next step is, we'll take out whatever is the common out of these two and whatever is the common out of these two. Common from this, common from this. So x is common, x minus 12, and here it is 5 common plus 5 comma x minus 12. So no change of sign this time because plus is outside, is equal to 0. x minus 12 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5. This minus will be rejected because base cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. So that means x is equal to 12, which is equal to base, and height will be 12 minus 7, because x is 12 minus 7, it is equal to 5. 5 centimeter is the base and height. Height is 5 centimeter height and base is 12 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 6. Question 6. Question 6 is: a cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed that on a particular day, the cost of the production of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. Cost is 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on the day. Let us suppose the number of articles produced on a particular day is Rx. The cost will be 2x. Twice means 2x plus 3. More means plus 3. So let us write the equation. Let the number of articles produced be x and cost of production of each article will be 2x plus 3, twice the number of article and 3 more. Total cost of production will be total cost of production of all the articles will be, this is the per article cost, this is number of articles, so we'll multiply 2x plus 3 into x, and it is given equal to rupees 90. So we'll multiply this. 2x square plus 3x is equal to 90. That means 2x square okay. Now we'll solve this. So A is equal to 2, C is equal to minus 90 and B is equal to 3. A into C is equal to 2 into minus 90 is equal to minus 180. Now the prime factors of 180, 2, 90, 2, 45, 3, 15, 3, 551. So 180 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So, but I want minus factors. We can first of all find factors. 2, 2, 4, 3, 12. This is 15. So I want 3, b is equal to c. So plus 15 minus 12. Minus 180 is equal to minus 12 into 15, because when we add, these become 15 minus 12 is equal to 3, which is b. Okay. That means our equation will now become 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. What is common? Nothing is common, only x is common. 2x plus 15 minus 6 is common. This is 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. X minus 6 and 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Check this plus sign, because this is minus and minus outside, the internal sign will change. This is okay. That means x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6, or x is equal to minus 15 by 2. So x is the number of article. Number of article cannot be minus. Reject. Not possible. Therefore, x is equal to 6. That means the number of articles are 6. And the cost of production, 2x plus 3 means 2 into 6 plus 3 is equal to 12 plus 3 is equal to rupees 15. Rupees 15 is the cost of the production and the number of articles are 6.